are Jason, Julie, Emma, and Hudson. We decided we were ready for a new adventure, so we sold our house and we are traveling in an RV full time. We are excited to see what God has in store for us. Follow along as we hit the road in the slow lane. Get out there and make more of every moment.
Here's my bathroom. Shower. Toilet.
We don't want to see a toilet. When you come in here, we have our bedroom. Here. I'm Julie.
I'm Emma. I'm Hudson.
And we have some big news to share with you guys. We have sold our house. And so it's exciting. We have some big changes in store. Our next plan is we're going to go on the road. So this will be an exciting event for us. So we thought we would show you guys a little tour of where we currently live, mostly for memories for us to look back on. So come along and we'll give you a quick little tour. This is our sweet Daisy. Can you say hi, Daisy? Say hi. She is a Maltipoo, so she is part Maltese and part Poodle. So as you come in, you walk straight into our living room. And then our stairs going up. This leads into a little office. The piano. And here's our kitchen. And our dining room. When you come in here, we have our bedroom and bathroom. A laundry area. Okay, I think Emma wants to take you guys upstairs and she'll give you a little tour up there.
Now, playroom.
Say hi, Daisy. Daisy likes to follow us everywhere.
Alright. This is where we keep all our Legos. For example, I built a coffee shop.
They love their Legos. And she's really good at it. This mama cannot build Legos. I've tried and tried, and I just cannot do it.
Board games, stuff, crafts, jingles.
Jingles is our what?
Cat.
There
She's
she
my
is.
cat. She loves to... Oh, it's dirty. Gee, you need to clean up your house.
She thinks this is her own personal house. She likes to get up there and lay. She's a silly cat.
Now, into the
Hangout room.
extra
Play on the chalkboard. Pretend you're a teacher.
chalkboard, books, workout thing, couch. So yeah.
Everything's kind of mismatched in here, but this has just been our fun hangout room.
Yep. Alright, now into my bedroom, closet, dresser, medals, and trophies. And then this is my desk where whenever we were on virtual and all that stuff, I did my stuff there. And then dresser, dog wearing glasses, side table, bed.
And when we built this house, we decided that they would not want to share bathrooms, so they both have the exact same layout, just opposite ends of the house, and they have their own bathroom.
And Robert.
What's its name?
Robert.
Robert. Very cool. So what do we do up here, Hudson?
We play video games.
Video games. We have another hangout spot. So, and we watch movies up here. Every once in a while we have a big projector screen. We move this couch over and we hang a projector and watch movies on that wall over there.
This is my room.
Okay.
Closet. Yes. My bed.
Bunk beds. You've always wanted a bunk bed, right?
Yep.
So where do you sleep? The top bunk or the bottom bunk?
Bottom bunk.
Bottom bunk. Because it's a bigger bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a full on the bottom. You want to show your bathroom?
Here's my bathroom. Shower. Toilet. Sink.
We don't want to see your toilet. Awesome.
Daisy.
Daisy's a big baby. Okay, we're going to take you back downstairs, and outside we have chickens. So as you come outside, we actually just finished up this patio not very long ago. It's been a process. It's kind of crazy that we are selling our house and we just recently got finished with a lot of our projects. Here are chickens.
Colonel Sanders, of course.
What's his name?
Colonel Sanders.
Colonel Sanders, so they can
course.
all hear you.
Colonel Sanders!
Stay tuned next time to find out where we are headed next. You never know what we might find digging in the dirt.
Do we know what we're doing?
Don't forget to like and subscribe and get out there and make more of every moment.